Junk food is a term that's commonly used to describe ultra-processed foods and drinks like fast food, soda, candy, cookies, and salty snack foods. These foods make up a large portion of most people's diets. In fact, some study findings suggest that junk food accounts for nearly 50% of the average American's daily calorie intake. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying your favorite foods from time to time, like baked goods, ice cream, and chips, junk food shouldn't be a regular part of your diet, since consuming it too often can harm your physical and mental health. For example, diets high in junk food are associated with conditions such as obesity, fatty liver, high blood sugar, depression, heart disease, and certain cancers. If your diet is currently high in junk food and you're trying to kick your junk food habit for good, there are several effective methods to try. Here are 7 evidence-based tips that can help you eat less junk food. Cook more meals at home. Making an effort to cook more meals at home is one of the best ways to cut back on junk food. Oftentimes, people choose convenience foods like sweetened coffee drinks, donuts, and fast food when they're on the go and have no other meal or snack options. Cooking more at home, including meal prepping, can help decrease your reliance on convenience foods and ensure you always have a healthy meal or snack on hand. Multiple studies have found that people who cook more have better quality diets, including greater intake of fruits and vegetables and less fast food consumption, as well as lower obesity rates compared to people who frequently dine out. Plus, they tend to spend less money on food. If you're not used to cooking meals at home, start slow by preparing 1 or 2 meals a week at home and then increasing your at-home meal prep from there. Eat more protein. Protein is the most satiating nutrient and has a powerful effect on your food intake and food choices. Studies show that increasing your protein intake is an effective way to cut back on snacking and prevent overeating, which may help you reduce your junk food intake. Some research suggests that cutting back on carbs and replacing carbs with sources of fat and protein can help reduce food cravings as well as overall calorie intake. A small 2019 study that included 19 people found that following a higher protein, lower carb diet that consisted of 14% carbs, 58% fat, and 28% protein for 4 weeks significantly reduced food cravings, including cravings for sweets and fast food. The researchers also found that following this diet helped improve dietary restraint while reducing hunger and disinhibition, which refers to a loss of control when eating and a tendency to overeat in the presence of highly palatable foods, like junk food. Fuel your body regularly. Depriving your body of calories or being overly restrictive with your food intake may seem like an effective way to promote weight loss or prevent junk food intake, but it can actually have the opposite effect. Though the relationship between calorie restrictions' impact on cravings and calorie intake is complex, some research shows that skipping meals and depriving your body of certain foods could increase cravings and snacking. For example, a 2020 review found that interventions that included total avoidance of certain foods increased cravings for the foods that were off limits. Additionally, some studies suggest that skipping meals, like breakfast, may increase cravings for carb-rich foods at night. While everyone has different calorie and meal timing needs, in general, following a meal plan that consists of regular, nutrient-dense, protein-rich meals and snacks could help you maintain a healthy calorie intake and reduce your cravings for junk food. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential to health, and depriving your body of quality sleep can negatively impact your food choices and increase your desire for junk food. Studies show that lack of sleep and disturbed sleeping patterns can increase overall calorie intake, snacking, and cravings for foods high in carbs and fat, such as junk food. Unfortunately, just one night of poor sleep can affect your food choices the next day. A 2019 study that included 24 women found that when their time in bed was reduced by 33%, which translates to a 2 to 3 hour sleep reduction, the women reported increased hunger and food cravings compared to a normal night's sleep. The sleep reduction was also associated with an increased desire for chocolate and larger portion sizes. In order to promote and protect overall health, the National Sleep Foundation recommends that adults get between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Manage your stress. Stress can take a significant toll on your physical and mental health and can even impact your food choices. While it's impossible to avoid all forms of stress, developing healthy stress management practices could help you cut back on your junk food intake. Chronic stress has been shown to influence hormones that regulate eating behaviors and food choices, such as cortisol. Interestingly, during acute or short term stress, your appetite is usually suppressed. However, studies show that chronic stress generally promotes increased cravings and intake of highly palatable foods, such as junk food. A 2021 study that included data on 1270 adults found that the participants with higher perceived stress levels reported higher rates of ultra processed food consumption. The study showed that people with high stress levels were nearly 2 times as likely to have higher ultra processed food intake compared to those with low stress levels. Meditation, exercise, therapy, and spending more time outside are just a few examples of evidence based ways to reduce stress. Consider overhauling your pantry. If your kitchen is stocked with junk food, you may want to consider swapping out ultra processed products for more nutritious options. Keeping highly palatable, easy to overeat junk food in your kitchen can lead to excessive snacking and calorie intake, which can negatively impact health in several ways. Research shows that even looking at tempting foods can stimulate an area of the brain called the striatum, which regulates appetite and reward from food intake. This means that having highly palatable foods within eyesight, such as candy, chips, and cookies, may lead to snacking and overeating, even when you're not necessarily hungry. While there's nothing wrong with occasionally enjoying a sweet or salty treat, if you want to cut back on your junk food intake, it's best to avoid purchasing junk food and instead fill your kitchen with nutrient dense products. For example, instead of keeping candy on your counter, try stocking up on fresh fruit for a naturally sweet snack option. Don't start restrictive diets. Following unnecessarily restrictive diets isn't good for overall health and can negatively impact your relationship with food. Following ultra restrictive diets can lead to a harmful cycle of weight loss and regain, commonly known as yo yo dieting. Not only is yo yo dieting linked to increased weight gain over time, but it's also associated with a higher risk of health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and metabolic syndrome. What's more, most fad diets are ultra restrictive and involve hard rules such as complete avoidance of added sugar or significant carbohydrate reduction. Strict avoidance of specific foods and designating certain foods as off limits can increase cravings for those foods, which can lead to overeating and a generally unhealthy relationship with food. No matter if you're trying to lose excess body weight or simply trying to clean up your diet, there's usually no need to follow a very restrictive eating pattern. Instead of trying out the newest fad diet, try transitioning to a more nutritious, well rounded eating pattern that's linked with positive health outcomes, such as a Mediterranean style diet or a plant centric diet. These eating patterns don't involve strict food rules. Rather, they prioritize foods known to support fullness and decrease cravings, such as protein rich legumes and seafood, and fiber rich vegetables. Dear viewers, thank you for watching this video. It was great to share tips on quitting junk food that can help you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video so you can stay updated with more content and show your support. See you in the next video. Wishing you healthy days ahead.